everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Elena. I don't know what else to say. What defines me? Literally One Direction. Okay, well, I guess we'll talk about One Direction. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to sit down and make this little introduction video. I want you guys to get to know me better and know what my goal for my channel is and whatever. So, you know, technically this would be someone's first video, I guess, but this is actually gonna be my second video on my channel. I do have one video on my channel already, and that's from meeting Niall from One Direction. And every time I just think about it, I just cry a little bit. Obviously, I love One Direction, as you can tell. I have an entire One Direction blanket. I actually customized that myself. I have a pillow over there that has One Direction on it, right there. And then this entire wall over here, I'll show you guys, but I'll do a room tour when it's clean, because just ignore that mess over there. Liam cardboard cutout back there with my sash on it, because I was the queen of one of our local pageants here, our community organizations. So I won that. If you want a video explaining everything about the program, the competition, what I did to win, what I did as my year, what I did for my entire reign, let me know down below. Like this video, let me know in the comments, because I'll totally make an entire video on my experience being a title holder in a pageant, because it was really cool. It was really fun. It was an amazing experience. So let me know if you guys want to see something like that, because I'm totally down to film that. I'd love to do that, because I really want to make this channel to talk about One Direction, things I like, I don't know, random things, makeup looks. I actually just filmed this makeup look. It's a prom makeup look. I might be wearing it to prom, because my dress is pink, and I don't know, I just want a lot of the pink. I really want to vlog my travels, because this summer, I have a lot of different things planned. A lot of exciting things are happening this year. I just turned 18, not last month. Well, no, because it's the beginning of May. I turned 18 in March, and I'm graduating high school next month in June. That's crazy. I want to vlog my summer, because I have prom the beginning of next month, June 2nd, and then I have graduation June 12th, parade for that title that I held, because my reign ended in March, because it was just one full year, March to March. So we get to be in the parade this year, and so that's June 30th. I'm really excited. July, so one of my best friends ever, she lives in Sweden, her name's Siri, and I met her through One Direction. She's an internet friend. She actually today just booked her tickets to come see me, because we're gonna go to the Harry concert together. The Harry concert in Seattle is on July 7th. She's flying in July 6th. I'm gonna go pick her up from the airport, and we're gonna go to the concert together. I'm just so excited. It's just so crazy, because I never thought that I'd, start liking this band, One Direction, and all of a sudden have all these lifelong friendships from it. It's crazy, honestly. They just make me so happy. And the Harry concert, I want to vlog there. It's the whole month of August, almost the whole month of September, I'm gonna be gone. August 1st, not doing anything, whatever. Besides freaking out, getting ready, mentally preparing myself for the next day, because Thursday, August 2nd, 2018, I'm meeting Niall again. It's saying that makes me oh my God. Okay. Sorry I keep looking at the viewfinder, by the way. It's right there, and then the camera's right there, and I need to be looking right there, not there, and see, I'm looking there, because August 3rd, I'm actually flying to Germany. And so we have friends that live in Germany, and they came to visit in August 2016. France, we're gonna go to Italy with them. My mom and little sister are flying back the beginning of September. I'm staying till mid towards end of September. Then next year, I'm hopefully going on a road trip to England and Ireland with my friend Siri, and then our two other friends that we're on a group chat with, and it's just, it's so much fun. This is my first video where I'm sitting down and talking. Let me know what you guys wanna see, and I really hope you enjoy my channel, because I'm really excited to really get into this and start this. I've been wanting to do this for years, so I'm really excited to finally be doing it, and I'm excited to vlog my travels, and don't ever think I'm bragging. I've worked hard, and because I have a job and stuff, and I've worked hard to save up my money for 1D, pretty much 1D, so. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this channel, and you know what to do, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Just please let me know what you guys want to see, because I want to be making things that people will enjoy, so. Yep, okay. I'll see you later, bye. Oh, thank you for watching, by the way. Thank you, bye. In the way, okay, that's better, okay. Oh, I could totally be explaining this in a different video. And I just caught my finger in my hair to do a bunch, So I love One Direction, clearly. They're on my bed, hold on, let me, grab this pillow. I have this 1D pillow. I have lots of One Direction all over.